I've just richened it up a little bit because it's on the second half of the tank now. Looks to be going quicker than 30 to me, that. You can decide for yourself though. Jumps nicely anyway. Show you the temps quickly. There we go, just under 120. Might richen up a bit more. Now it's not going in second, you see. That was only a quarter of a turn as well. Seems to be breaking up a bit at the top end actually. Try again. There we go, that's better. Makes a big difference, quarter of a turn. Runs well though. Right, here we go. You can seconds. Very nice. Alright, let's bring it back in, see how fast it's going. "29, it looks to be getting faster than that to me, so I'm going to try again. Here we go. Alright, let's see what it did that second time. Oh, that's clearly wrong, let's try again. So that seems like all it's got. Do one more. Definitely looks to be going faster than 30 to me. Alright, let's read it this last time then. That'll be it, I think. Running well though. About 30, that seems all she's got. Right, that's it for this one. There we go, just put a tank through the Savage X 4.6 there and did a speed run. Got only 30 miles an hour out of it in second gear, but it definitely looks faster than that. Picked up some grass there in the back from doing some wheelies, but it's run really good. I'll just quickly show you the temps. I literally shut it off about 2 seconds ago, so yeah, about 90 degrees, cooling down nice and quick. Reached about 118 degrees as you saw. If you're riching it out just a tiny little bit, doesn't go in second, doesn't do wheelies, so I think this tune now is perfect. Not going to touch it. Anyway, going to go get the Hyper MT out of the car now, because I'm done with this. I just wanted to get a good speed run out of it and get it sorted. So we're out here with the Savage again, and going to try a speed run. Go! Oh, typical.